Hello, this is Tom. Welcome to NAPCO Video Tech Tips. Today I'm going to be going over linking elevator recall with the GEMC panel if you need more than one elevator recall output. So if you open up the GEMC panel, you can use RB3008, and that will give you 8 relays that you can use for multiple recalls. And it's fairly easy to set up. So what you would have to do is you get the RB3008, you'd hook it up to your fire data bus, and you would go into NAC output assignments, you would go into board type, and then you would do fire output on RM3008. Okay, now these right here, these are the 8 relays that are available to you, and you can link those to multiple zones, situations, whatever you need. You can go into here and you can change these. So if you don't change these and you go into NAC output events, when you go into your relays, it will just say external fire relay 1, 2, 3, all through 8. But you do have the option of changing those. So if you want to go into here, and let's say you want to do the first floor, and then you go to the next one, you can do second floor, and then if you want to, whatever you want to label it, third floor. And you would want to do resettable, and then apply, and then you would go into your NAC output events, and then here you can link what you want to trigger that. So let's say the first floor, you leave timeout 0, and let's say, let's make it easy, zone 1, fire alarm. Okay, and then next one, second floor, and the next one after that would be third floor. Again, whatever you need to do. And then you hit apply, and okay. So on the board itself, it does have right here, okay, a fire aux relay on the panel itself that people use for elevator recall if they're only dealing with one output for that. But I've had some calls where people were doing multiple outputs and they needed more than one trigger point. And this is the way that they've done it. And that's pretty much it. Apply and download, hook up your relay, hook up your outputs for your recall to each one of the relays, and you should be good to go. Thanks for visiting NAPCO Video Tech Tips.